Hello! Let's learn about the geometry tools in Inspired Cast. With these powerful geometry tools, you can assess and refine your designs within seconds, ensuring optimal quality before the manufacturing process begins. The Mold Opening Direction tool helps identify areas where the draft angle exceeds critical values. Understanding the draft angle is essential for a part designer, as it ensures easier mold release, minimizes defects, and improves overall manufacturability. Select a surface perpendicular to the opening direction and enter the demolding angle. Critical regions falling below the specified angle will be highlighted in red. You can use the tools in Inspired Cast's geometry ribbon to instantly adjust the draft angle to meet casting criteria. In the Geometry tab, before adjusting the angle, you will need to remove the rounds. Then, using the Draft tool, set the draft angle to 3 degrees to ensure proper mold opening. After adjusting the draft angle, the rounds can be reapplied. Finally, return to the Casting tab and relaunch the Mold Opening Direction tool. We can see that these surfaces are no longer highlighted in red, as they now have the correct draft angle after the modifications. The Fillet Radius tool provides the values for all fillet radii. This can help you to prevent stress concentration, improve manufacturability, and enhance structural integrity. Values below 1 mm should be avoided to prevent defects and enhance mold filling. You can use the Geometry tab tools to modify your fillet radii. Relaunch the Fillet Radius tool to confirm that the critical region has been eliminated. The Thickness tool helps identify the maximum and minimum values, ensuring proper mold filling and preventing defects. Maximum thickness should not exceed 15 mm to prevent cooling defects. The minimum values help identify hard-to-fill areas and potential design flaws. In the Geometry tab, you'll find tools to correct imperfections such as flash or poorly defined surfaces, ensuring a cleaner and more precise design. The thickness analysis now confirms that there are no remaining critical regions. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe to Altair How To for more tips on getting the most out of your Altair products.